estate tax exemption changing? Hi, I'm Claire from the Yanowitz Law Firm, where we help families with estate taxes, probate, wills, and trusts, and we've been doing it since 1993. Okay, let's get started. So there is a potential change coming down the pipeline in January 1st, 2026. Here's what you need to know. In 2017, the government doubled the federal estate tax exemption, and it jumped to 10 million plus inflation adjustments that year. And it's been going up every year since then with the inflation adjustment. So right now it's a bit over 13 million. And so a couple have in excess of 26 million of federal exemption before they're going to have to pay estate tax. So they have a whole lot of exemption. But for people that have estates over the federal exemption, there's a federal estate tax of 40%. So anything over the exemption is subject to a 40% tax. So that can be a really big tax. So in 2026, January 1st, 2026, if Congress does not act, the exemption is dropping back to 5 million plus inflation adjustments. And there has been some predictions that the inflation adjustments might make the new federal exemption be $7 million. So that means couples could have around 14 million before paying any federal estate tax. So what does this mean? This means that right now might be an exceptional time to make large gifts and take advantage of the higher exemption. If this changes in the future, we may not have the opportunity to make these gifts down the line. And our office is set up to help you analyze if this is something that you should take advantage of. So there's various considerations we take into account when we're determining should you make a gift. We look at income tax consequences of that gift, estate tax consequences of that gift. We look in and see what assets should you give. There are certain assets that can be better to give from a tax perspective. And also, who should you be giving them to? How should you be giving those assets? You can always make gifts outright where you give them directly to individuals, but oftentimes when you're giving a really large amount, millions of dollars, you want to gift them to a trust. So that's why I am creating a whole series of videos that are all about gifting trusts. And those include SLATs, spousal lifetime access trusts. They include ILIS, irrevocable life insurance trusts, and I'm making a movie about making gifts to irrevocable children's trusts, and another movie about how a defective grantor trust works. So stay tuned. If you want to learn more, watch these videos. We're going to be uploading them all to the YouTube video. And if you think you might have questions about gifting or think you might want to be taking advantage of the higher exemptions, give us a call. Our number is 507-252-8997. Thanks.